Hi everyone! Today I want to practice going over a couple of different notes with you and see if we can clap them together. So I want you to take a look at this musical example and notice how all of these notes are the same. Same note there. Do you remember what it's called? If you remember and called it a quarter note, you're correct. Do you remember how many beats a quarter note gets? If you guessed 1, you would be correct. Now, let's take a look and clap those together. So I'll count them off and point them out to you. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let's try it. I'm going to snap and I want you to clap. I'll count you off. Ready? We're going to just do this example first. So 1, 2, ready, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? Hopefully that wasn't too difficult. Now here's what we're going to do next. Notice we have, in the same example, another note that looks different from this note. Do you remember what that note is called? If you guessed half note, you would be correct. Do you remember how many beats a half note gets? If you guessed 2, you're correct. So, I want to practice clapping the next one right here, okay? Now half notes are worth 2 beats, so when I snap, you're going to notice that it's not going to sound exactly the same as the example we did right here. So let's try it. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'll count you off, and I want you to try to clap along with me as I snap. So 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do on that one? Hopefully that one wasn't too tricky. Now let's try to put these two together, okay? So let's try it. I'll snap and point to each note, and I want you to clap while I snap, okay? So 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do? Hopefully this wasn't too confusing. Now what I want to try to do is keep going. Now notice, when we start over and we keep going, we got the same note all the way through until the very end. Okay? I'll try to mention the half note right before we clap it to remind us that it's worth 2 beats. All right, let's try to do the whole thing together. I will snap and I want you clapping along with me, and I will point to all the notes as we clap. Okay? So let's try it. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do? Hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Hopefully we were able to follow along easily. If it gets confusing, please let me know and I will try to help you as best as I can. Thanks for clapping along with me and reading the music with me. I'll see you next time.